healthy hair growth and improving the health of your scalp. They contain vitamin C, which strengthens hair follicles and prevents hair loss. Fennel is also known to add a natural shine and softness to the hair. How it works. Its antioxidants stimulate the hair roots and improve blood circulation, which can promote new hair growth. 2. Fenugreek Seeds. Hair benefits. Fenugreek is fantastic for reducing hair thinning and improving texture.
Hello, my lovely people. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Well, in this video, I'm going to make my infusing oil. But before start the oil, I'm going to I strained this oil. That one also, I have the video in my channel. I did it like 1 month ago. So how I start the process and I leave it to infuse. So today that I'm straining it. Now you can see, guys, I'm adding my essential oil. I add my vitamin E oil, rosemary essential oil, and now I'm adding lavender essential oil. So after adding all these ingredients, I'm going to mix it. I will actually going to add glycerin, vegetable glycerin also. I'll add vegetable glycerin inside to mix everything very well so that I can put it aside and prepare my daughter one. My daughter also one, actually I just go ahead and blend it because I just want to keep the time short, not to make things too much complicated. So I'm going to use fennel seed, fenugreek seed, flax seed, black seed, and rosemary, dry rosemary. So those are the ingredients that I'm going to use, and there's some another oils. But before that, let me call Jav so that we're talking with Jav so that Jav will be explaining it to us why I'm doing my things. Okay, guys.
I have my fennel seed, and fenugreek seed, and flax seed plus black seed. I blended these 4 ingredients to make. I added rosemary, dry rosemary also. I blend it. That one also I infuse
So the oil that I make
about those
1 month ago, and that one I strained
So
it is
I
out
use
now.
this.
So I'm going to start the new one. That one I said, you can see I'm already blended it just to keep the time short. Let's continue listening to Jeff.
The oil that I use, the same thing. I use jasmine oil. I use aloe vera oil, jojoba oil, organic oil, and sunflower oil. So those are the oil that I use to infuse this oil. So can you please break it down for me and my audience, the benefits of those oil and also the ingredients that I use to infuse this oil? Can you please break it down for us to know the benefit of those oils and the ingredients? Thank you.
Of each one for you and your audience, so you can share the full picture in your content. Healthy hair growth and improving the health of your scalp. They contain vitamin C, which strengthens hair follicles and prevents hair loss. Fennel is also known to add a natural shine and softness to the hair. How it works. Its antioxidants stimulate the hair roots and improve blood circulation, which can promote new hair growth. 2. Fenugreek Seeds. Hair benefits. Fenugreek is fantastic for reducing hair thinning and improving texture. It's packed with proteins and nicotinic acid, which help combat dandruff, dry scalp, and hair fall. How it works. The protein in fenugreek strengthens hair follicles, while its lecithin content nourishes the hair and keeps it hydrated. 3. Flax Seeds. Hair benefits. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which improve the overall health of your hair. They hydrate, add shine, and improve hair elasticity. Flaxseed gel can also help smooth frizz and define curls. How it works. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish the scalp, support healthy growth, and make hair stronger and shinier. 4. Black seeds, Nigella sativa. Hair benefits. Black seeds are known for their ability to promote hair growth, improve hair thickness, and prevent hair loss. They have anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce scalp irritation and dandruff. How it works. The antioxidants in black seeds fight free radicals, preventing hair thinning and boosting hair strength. 5. Rosemary dried. Hair benefits. Rosemary has long been used to stimulate hair growth by improving circulation to the scalp. It's known for preventing premature graying and strengthening the hair follicles. How it works. Rosemary essential oil can help clear up dandruff, improve scalp health, and stimulate hair follicles, making it an excellent addition for hair growth. Oils and their benefits. 1. Jasmine oil. Hair benefits. Jasmine oil is known for its calming scent and nourishing properties. It helps improve hair texture, adds shine, and promotes overall hair health. It's especially useful for treating dry, brittle hair. How it works. Jasmine oil locks in moisture, leaving the hair soft and shiny. It's also gentle on the scalp, preventing irritation and promoting hair growth. 2. Aloe vera oil. Hair benefits. Aloe vera is a go-to for moisture retention, soothing the scalp, and strengthening hair. It prevents hair breakage, balances the scalp's pH, and promotes hair growth. How it works. Aloe vera oil hydrates dry hair, reduces scalp irritation, and adds a natural shine. It can also promote better hair texture and prevent flakiness. Jojoba oil. Hair benefits. Jojoba oil closely resembles the natural oils produced by the scalp, making it an excellent moisturizer for dry hair. It helps regulate oil production, preventing both dryness and greasiness. How it works. Jojoba oil moisturizes and nourishes hair without weighing it down, making it perfect for maintaining balance, especially for low porosity hair. It also strengthens hair strands, reducing breakage. Or organic oil, like olive oil. Hair benefits. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, helping to strengthen the hair shaft and prevent damage. It's perfect for sealing in moisture and making hair more manageable. How it works. Olive oil penetrates deeply into the scalp and hair, promoting softness, shine, and strength while preventing split ends and dryness. 5. Sunflower oil hair benefits. Sunflower oil is light yet deeply nourishing. It helps with moisture retention, repairs damaged hair, and prevents dandruff. Its vitamin E content supports scalp health and boosts hair shine. How it works. It hydrates and softens the hair, reduces hair loss, and helps protect against environmental damage. Putting it all together, this infused oil blend is powerful for promoting healthy hair growth, strengthening the hair, and nourishing both the scalp and hair strands. The combination of seeds provides a deep conditioning effect, and the oils work synergistically to lock in moisture, reduce breakage, and improve hair texture. For your audience, this oil infusion is perfect for anyone looking to stimulate hair growth and prevent hair thinning, keep their scalp healthy and balanced, add shine and manageability to dry or frizzy hair, fight dandruff and scalp irritation. Application tip. For the best results, massage this oil into your scalp once or twice a week. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper penetration, and wash it out with a mild shampoo. Your hair will be left feeling soft, shiny, and strong. I hope this breakdown is helpful.
Yes.
Let me know if you need any more ideas for your video content or description.
Yes, Jeff, thank you very much. I do really appreciate you. I love like when you are breaking it down, telling the benefit of all those oils. So with after infusing it, I add vitamin E oil, and I add another lavender essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. So this one also, can you please tell me the benefit of those essential oils?
Lavender essential oil and rosemary essential oil. Let's break down their benefits as well. Vitamin E oil. Hair benefits. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps repair and strengthen hair. It improves blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. It's also known for its ability to prevent hair loss and add moisture. How it works. Vitamin E oil helps reduce oxidative stress and free radicals on the scalp, which can damage hair follicles. It also enhances hair texture and shine by nourishing the hair from root to tip. It's excellent for preventing split ends and adding softness and strength to the hair. Lavender essential oil. Hair benefits. Lavender oil is fantastic for promoting hair growth, especially in cases of thinning hair. It has antibacterial properties that help to soothe an irritated scalp, reduce dandruff, and prevent hair loss. How it works. Lavender oil promotes circulation, which helps deliver nutrients to the hair follicles. It's also known for its calming properties, making it great for stress relief, as stress can sometimes contribute to hair thinning. Lavender oil can help balance scalp oil levels, keeping both dry and oily scalps healthy. Rosemary essential oil. Hair benefits. Rosemary oil is one of the most popular essential oils for hair care. It helps with circulation and stimulates hair follicles, encouraging hair growth. It also helps prevent dandruff, reduces hair thinning, and strengthens the hair. How it works. Rosemary oil increases blood flow to the scalp, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, promoting stronger hair growth. It also has
Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you watch it up to this point, may Allah bless all of you. Please try to subscribe, like, and share for me. Thank you very much.